The AstroAI 100 PSI portable air compressor maximizes your tire's ability while saving you money. Its simple and lightweight design means it travels anywhere you do. Just stow it in your vehicle's trunk, garage, toolbox, or anywhere you might need it. Set it and forget it means that after setting your desired pressure, the compressor will inflate up to your preset level and automatically turn off. This compressor fills tires on cars, trucks, SUVs, motorcycles, and bicycles with ease. Precise results are displayed on a clear, backlit LCD screen that always returns an accurate reading. We're also throwing in a clip-on chuck to make inflating your tires even easier. Included accessories make it simple to inflate sports equipment and other inflatables to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
AstroAI 150 PSI portable air compressor is perfect for all your air inflation needs. Plug this portable air compressor into any 12-volt socket or utilize an AC to DC converter for even more versatility. Let this programmable air compressor do all the work. Attach the quick connect, set your desired pressure, and turn the air compressor on. The air compressor will automatically inflate to just above your preset value, ensuring you can disconnect without losing pressure. Press the center button to change the unit of measurement between PSI, bar, kVA, or kilogram per centimeter squared. You'll never be stranded in the dark with its built-in flashlight and easy-to-read backlit LCD screen. With a variety of accessories, you can inflate anything from car tires, trucks, bikes, motorcycles, inflatables, and much more. Stow on the go with the included carrying bag to keep you going on all of life's adventures.
Hey guys, you are looking at Avid Power Tire Inflator Air Compressor. This bad boy tire inflator comes with dual solid metal motors, which provides super power and inflates your car tires or other inflatables faster. Suitable for inflating tires on cars, bikes, sedan, midsize SUV. Does not support heavy-duty truck tires. AC-DC power switch make this air compressor more useful and convenient since you can use it anywhere. You can choose to connect it with 12 volts car cigarette light plug or 120 volts home outlet. Perfect for use indoors and during the travel. This tire inflator features inflation and deflation switch and two type of hoses. High pressure hose for inflating high pressure items like car and bike tires, sports balls and more. The high volume hose for inflating or deflating low pressure but high volume items like air rafts, air mattress, floats. Preset the value you want and the air pump will automatically shut off when the desired pressure is reached.